Welcome to the Complete Recruitment Manager course. This video is going to give you detailed instructions on how the course works and what you need to do to pass it. We strongly recommend you watch this video with your manager so that they know what is expected of you and also what is expected of them in terms of time and commitment to your development. So if you have a manager, pause the video now and go and get them to watch it with you. In your dashboard, you will see several buttons along with the course that you've been assigned to. You won't need most of these buttons because you're not doing a formal qualification or an apprenticeship program, so don't worry about them. To get started, click My Profile and then create your profile and add a photo so that we can see who you are. This is also handy for when you feature in the course and quiz leaderboards. Of course, you want to see your picture at the top of them. The next thing to do is speak to your manager about their involvement because you're going to need them throughout the 12 weeks, and this input will make sure that the course achieves return on investment for you and for your agency. You're going to need them in three ways. Your manager will need to give you some input on most of the assignments. This could be assessing your answers, giving you some information for a task, or some feedback on your progress. Please brief your manager prior to starting what is expected. You're going to complete 1.5 hours of study a week, which includes watching a video and completing a task. Make sure you agree with your manager what time you will do this in the week and ensure that they are aware that you will need time out of your working day. As the unit opens on a Monday, we recommend watching it on that day and downloading the assignment document so that you know what is expected of you and how long it's going to take. Complete the task, say on a Wednesday, and then sit down with your manager on a Friday. You will have until the following Monday to upload the task for feedback and grading. At the end of every week, sit down with your manager for 15 minutes and share what you've learnt and how you are using it. This is a great chance to get their feedback and to gain extra support on any topics you feel less confident in. So if you haven't, speak to your manager now and make them aware that you will need their input and also confirm when you're going to be doing your study. Because it's a 12-week course, you're going to find it's very easy to get behind, and if you keep putting off your 1.5 hours, then you're going to find it actually doesn't get done. So please make sure your self-development is high up on your priority list. We've developed the course on the principle learn a little and often, so each unit is based on one topic and each topic builds on the last. It's proven that bite-sized learning aids retention, so please don't try and do lots of units in one go. You're only going to retain a small amount, and not only will this impact the return on investment, you're going to find it harder to complete the assignments. So what are you going to learn over the 12 weeks? So what are we going to cover in the 12 weeks? Here are the units. To pass, you have to do 10 of these. Each unit is approximately 1.5 hours long. If the video is shorter, the assignment will be longer and vice versa, but no unit will take over an hour and a half to complete. So how does the course work? On your dashboard, you will see the course assigned to you and all of the units. One unit opens every week on a Monday at midnight unless you're doing this course on a hub, and they will open as per your agency has scheduled them to. You will be emailed by study course to remind you that the unit has opened and when you need to complete it by. Once a unit is opened, it remains open for the course, so you can do it as many times as you like or go back to it. Units that are open feature in blue and those that are closed in grey. You cannot do future units until they are opened. All units have an assignment, so click Assignment from the left-hand menu from any unit to view it, and this is where you will download it and then upload it once you've completed. If you want to see the course timetable, you can click Course Timetable from any unit in the left-hand menu. We recommend you add the end date of your course now in your calendar as a reminder. Completing assignments. Make sure you add your manager's feedback comments where required. Marks will be lost if you don't. Once graded, assignments cannot be regraded, so if you fail, you cannot redo the assignment unless requested to do so by your tutor. Notification once graded, you'll receive this from study course. You can then log in and view your grade and your feedback comments. If you get behind, please email us and we will help you get back on track. If you are consistently late, despite our agreed extensions, you will get 10% deducted from your assignment grade. To see what assignments you've completed or view your grades and feedback comments, click My Grade from the dashboard. Then click the grade button on the right-hand side of the next screen. Once inside your learner profile, you can access all of your work, and at the end of your course, download all of your grades and feedback into a PDF report, which you can keep, share it with your manager, and refer back to it when you need it. To get the details of any tutor on the course, you can click Tutors from the dashboard. Your tutor will introduce themselves to you in the first assignment's feedback comments. If you have a technical issue, please contact the IOR's help desk, which you can do by clicking Help from the dashboard or calling. If you have a question about an assignment, then please either contact your tutor or post a question in the appropriate unit forum, which other learners will also be able to view. We will always respond to all requests within 24 hours. Passing the course. In Unit 1, you're going to set a team target with your manager. We will take your team target results and your average assignment grade to give an overall grade. 71% or over is a pass, 70% and under is a fail. We've set the course up in this way to ensure that not only can you show us how you will use the content via the assignments you will complete, but you also have to show us that you have used the content. You'll hear this phrase a lot during the 12 weeks. A theory without action is useless, so take action. Your success depends on it. And finally, good luck. This course is going to be the best grounding you can possibly get in management. We're here not just to mark assignments, but to mentor you along the way, so please feel free to contact us anytime. Make the most of having an online mentor for the next 12 weeks. So good luck, and let's do this.